and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Shalini and today I'm going to talk about the new Moto G52. This is one of the latest smartphones in the Indian market. It comes with an OLED display and runs Android 12 out of the box. Here's the first impressions and unboxing of the same. So this is the Moto G52. So once you open the box, first thing you'll see is the instruction manual, the safety procedure and the SIM ejector tool for the smartphone. Next, you get the smartphone itself. So Motorola ships its phones with a back case cover. So you can see this is the Moto G52. I'll be talking more and in depth about the smartphone. Next, you get a 33 watt fast charging adapter with the smartphone and a Type-C cable with it. So one of the first things that catches the eye with the Moto G52 is the lightweight build of it. So here you get a unique rear panel. You can see it smudges a bit, but I feel it is scratch resistant. So this makes it a sturdy build for the device. You can also see the triple camera setup at the rear. So Motorola has included a 50 MP quad pixel primary sensor for the smartphone along with an LED flash. And you can see the Motorola branding and the Moto logo right here. Then you also get the fingerprint sensor embedded with the power button over here. And these are the volume controls. And you get the SIM slot over here. Also, Motorola has included the audio jack for the smartphone. It's a feature that most brands are skipping these days. Plus, up front, you can see the punch hole cutout for the selfie camera over here. Another feature that I must talk about with the Moto G52 is the 33 watt fast charging support that comes with the device. These days, most brands are kind of skipping the adapter with the box, but Motorola has made sure to include it. And you get a 5000 mAh battery with the device. So Motorola has promised that the phone will last much longer and charges faster with the powerful adapter. One of the main features of the Moto G52 is the 6.6 inch OLED display. So this display comes with a 90 Hz refresh rate and an FHD resolution. So it makes it really good and ideal for all kinds of activities, including watching movies or even casual gaming. So the 90 Hz refresh rate makes it very smooth for a lot of activities. Going under the hood, the Moto G52 draws its power from the Snapdragon 680 chipset. So this is a 4G processor and you get 6GB RAM and you get 128GB storage with this. And one of the prime features of the Moto G52 is that it ships with Android 12 out of the box. So this is one of the most important features that the Moto G52 has to offer. And like most other Motorola phones, you get near stock on Android experience. But recently, Motorola has begun to include a couple of preloaded apps with its phones. The design of the Moto G52 is one of its key aspects. It runs Android 12 out of the box, which is one of the pro points of the smartphone. We've already posted the detailed review of Moto G52 at gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more. Thank you.